Whoa. Hey YouTube, my name is Sven. Welcome to the Metal Foundry. As you've seen in the unboxing, I have bought an HM-2w Wazacraft. Finally, I did it. I finally have it. This is the Boss Heavy Metal 2, a cult pedal made originally in the 80s, starting from 1983 until 1991 when it was discontinued because of very poor sales, but nobody would have imagined that this pedal would have get such a cult status amongst metalheads and amongst metal bands, of course. So this pedal is famously known as the Swedish Chainsaw or the Box of Bees, and you can all imagine where it comes from. It sounds a bit like a chainsaw indeed. That's why I went through all the trouble to go to a local hardware store and asked if I could borrow a case of a steel chainsaw for my unboxing. Those of you who don't know this pedal, this is a distortion pedal that is famous for its particular sound, and this pedal is made famous by bands like Entombed and At the Gates. The latter one, where we're combining this one in combination with a Metal Zone, and Entombed we're using this pedal in combination with an old PV amplifier, and thanks to Circle of Tone we also know that they've been using an Audio-Technica ATM41 microphone. I will link a video to Circle of Stone's video in the description box below where you can find more information on how he found it. A big thumbs up to Owen because it's very difficult to get that kind of inside information. I believe he was in contact with the producer who recorded that album actually, so that's very cool. This pedal has a level knob, a distortion knob where you can change the level and the amount of distortion, and a high and a low mid frequency. You can either add or take away high or low mids, and this pedal shines particularly because it's for very particular sound when you push the high mid level to the max, and you will get the famous Box of Bees or chainsaw sound. Boss discontinued this pedal in 1991, but thanks to popular demand and an online petition, I believe, they've decided to reissue it and make it a Wazacraft edition. Wazacraft means that they're made by hand in Japan and redeveloped completely, and it comes with a special function switch like the Metal Zone had, where you can switch between the standard mode and the classic mode. The standard mode is as it is, compared like the old one was, and the custom mode is with even more gain and even more level, so even more insane and even more untamable as the original one. So in this video you will find basically two things. You will find me giving a sound demonstration through my Black Star Series 1 recorded with my Torpedo Captor X, and you will find a full mix demonstration that I made with the pedal. Let me know in the comment section what you think. Enjoy and let's go, hell yeah! I've hooked up my ESP EX straight into the Boss Heavy Metal 2 with, now everything is switched off, and I go through the Boss NS2 just to make sure that things don't get too messy. This guitar is tuned in D standard. I'm using EMG pickups. Let's switch it in. The first thing that I notice is there is a slight volume drop, but we can solve that just by raising the volume a little bit. And we can put even more distortion if you want. There is a possibility to change the color mix, so you can add some more lows if you want. And then let's see the higher mids where we get. That starts to sound quite nasty, and let's go to everything on max, and then you'll hear the true sound of the chainsaw, which is I think we need everything maxed out just to be sure. Alright, let's see what the custom mode does. And I think... Oh! Wow! Damn! Oh, wow. That sounds cool. The custom function seems to add even more gain. When you thought you had enough gain, there is always more gain. It's basically when you say how much gain and boss says yes. It's a bit like that. It's just ridiculous. And after that whole sound demonstration, I decided to make a track, a demo track, and let you listen to this magnificent beast in a mix. And let you listen to the power of the Swedish Chainsaw.